And today in Hays County, the Commissioner's Court executed its own act of protest. Commissioners adopted a resolution making some demands when it comes to how federal officers treat immigrants when making arrests in the county.
Sam Stark gives insight into the resolution's demands and how much local influence local entities have over federal agencies.
I am one of the biggest patriots because of my immigrant father. He taught me to be such a patriot.
Judge Ruben Becerra spoke before commissioners approved the resolution. It calls for due process and humane treatment of undocumented immigrants during arrests.
This is my moment to speak on what's right, to speak on what we know is fundamental.
The resolution demands constitutionally sound treatment of immigrants by any organization operating in the county. It also says officers must not conceal their identities by covering their face or other identifying information.
They're coming into our communities, kidnapping folks, and we have no idea who they are, where they're going, and why they took them.
Austin defense attorney Logan Campbell said it is difficult for local agencies to dictate how federal organizations operate.
At the end of the day, federal agencies will have more direct influence rather than the local law enforcement.
After Monday night's protests in Austin, the Austin Police Department said it will continue prioritizing community trust while federal officers make arrests.
Our goal is always about community safety, so it's hard when this is a dynamic when we're looking at federal level issues that we're local law enforcement. So to build trust and to continue that, it's a little challenging in these times, that's for sure.
Sam Stark, KXAN News.
The Hays County Sheriff's Office said the only recent ICE operation it participated in was a raid back in April where more than 40 people were taken into custody. Officials said at the time they believed those arrested were connected with the Venezuelan transnational gang Tren de Aragua. An HCSO said, however, there may have been additional ICE raids in the county since the Trump administration took office that the county is not aware of.